So what does it look like to make peace in this world? Well, as peacemakers, we've been tasked with this opportunity that when there is chaos, we face it head on. We don't turn our eyes away from any kind of injustice in this world. We don't turn our eyes away from something that we know is wrong when we know we can do something right about it. There are people in this world who do not have a voice of their own to lift up, so we, as peacemakers, will lift our voice for them. We will protect the dignity of every single human being that's ever been created by God. And instead of competing with one another to beat each other, we cooperate with one another to help each other. Chaos will be all around us, we know this, but together, as peacemakers, we will stand together firmly. We will love, we will protect, and we will build each other up. Because there will be a day where there is no more chaos in this life. There is no more turmoil. There's no more injustice. A day that we are in God's presence and all will be perfect. But until that day, we have a choice to make. Do we sit by and let things happen and not contribute? Or do we take the opportunities that God's given us along with the abilities that God has given us to make peace? And do we choose to make peace in this world because of what Jesus did for us and because of the love that God has for us? We as peacemakers have opportunities all around us to make peace flourish in this world.
When your world is full of chaos, this peace prayer can help. Start with gratitude. Fill in the blank with whatever you're thankful for. Words that express the things you have that give you peace. Here's an example. Thank you for your restoration in this world. God, help me increase your peace. Surge your peace through me and give me grace. You make all things new. Amen.